Understanding your income, how to track it. Welcome back to our budgeting tips series. Today, we're tackling lesson 3, understanding and tracking your income. Now that you've got the basics of budgeting and have set your financial goals, it's time to focus on one of the most important parts of the process, your income. Let's dive in. What is income and why it's important? Income is the money you receive regularly, whether it's from your job, freelance work, investments, or other sources. Why is it important? Because your income sets the foundation for your budget. It determines how much you can spend, save, or invest. Identifying your sources of income. Start by listing all your income sources. For most of us, that's our paycheck. But don't forget about side gigs, rental income, dividends, or bonuses. And remember, focus on your net income. That's what you have left after taxes and deductions. Handling variable income. If your income varies, like for freelancers or gig workers, calculate your average monthly income. Add up your earnings from the past 6 to 12 months, then divide by the number of months. This gives you a reliable figure to base your budget on. Tracking your income. Tracking your income regularly is key to staying in control of your finances. Use tools like spreadsheets, apps, or even a simple notebook to log your income each month. This habit helps you allocate funds for expenses and savings with confidence. Planning for bonuses and windfalls. When you get additional earnings, like a year-end bonus or tax refund, plan wisely. Instead of splurging, put it toward your savings goals, pay off debt, or invest it for future growth. Increasing your income. Think about ways to boost your income. Could you ask for a raise, increase your freelance rates, or start a side hustle? Even small increases can have a big impact on your budget over time. Here's your action plan. 1. List all your income sources. 2. Calculate your net income after taxes and deductions. 3. For variable income, find your average monthly earnings. 4. Use a tool to track your income every month. 5. Plan wisely for any additional earnings like bonuses. 6. Explore ways to grow your income over time. Understanding and tracking your income is the foundation of a solid budget. With this clarity, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions about spending and saving. Don't miss tomorrow's lesson, where we'll dive into categorizing your expenses. See you then. Ready to take control of your finances? Visit our website below and subscribe to our channel for more tips and free resources.